Relocating your gas tank out of the cab and into the back is very common for a variety of reasons. But after you do that, you're left with this hole. What are we going to do? Now, the first option that we've got for you is this weld-in piece, and it's very specific. You'll see it has the notch right down there. It fits right in, and the contour is perfect. It fits the round here and even the little scope going up. So I can go ahead and weld this all in, and I've got a minimal amount of body work before I can get ready to paint. Now, let's say I don't want to do that because it's already painted. Well, I've got this guy here for you. It also has very specific way for it to go on and match all the contours. All you have to do is bolt it on with this brace that you have right here. So all you're going to do is just stick this right on. You're going to go ahead and line up your contours, put your brace on the back and bolt it up, and you're all done. So you make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we're doing these every single week so you guys can get your trucks back on the road looking good, getting your holes fixed so you don't rust down on your bottom. We'll see you out on the road, man.